This 39-inch LyxPro CS electric guitar kit gives beginners and advancing players a complete setup with the instrument, cable, multiple picks, and a clear guide to get started. The solid paulownia body, smooth rosewood fingerboard, and maple neck keep the guitar light in weight yet sturdy, with a finish that looks far more expensive than it is. Its classic C-shaped neck profile, 22-fret layout, and dot markers make it comfortable to navigate for small and large hands while still feeling like a serious instrument. The single-coil pickups and 5-way selector offer a surprisingly wide range of tones, from bright and cutting to warmer, more relaxed sounds that work for many styles. Dedicated knobs for volume and tone, plus a tremolo-ready bridge let you experiment with dynamics and subtle pitch effects as your technique improves. A reliable output jack and included cable make it easy to plug into an amplifier and move from bedroom practice to rehearsals or casual performances without fuss.